ஒரு மெல்லிசான கோடு. இந்த கோட்டுக்கு அந்த பக்கம் போனால் நீ ஒரு இன்ஜினியர், இந்த பக்கம் வந்தால் நீ ஒரு யூடியூபர். பிஜிஎம் பிளேஸ்
எதையாச்சும் அடிச்சிருவேன். மூடிட்டு வீடியோ போடு.
Hi guys, the duo is back with their next video after a long commercial break, and we are the tech dudes. The next review is about not this one, silly boys. And it's a new Redmi 6 Pro. This phone was bought on the first flash sale on 11th September 2018. This phone is called as MI82 Lite in other countries, and in India it's 6 Pro. You can buy this product in MI store as well as Amazon. The dimensions of the phone is 149.3, 71.7 and 8.8 millimeters. The phone weighs around 178 grams. The display is an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display, and it is of 16mm colors. The size of the display is 5.84 inches diagonally, and the screen to body ratio is 79.5%. The resolution of the display is 1080 x 2280 pixels, and the ratio is 19:9. Even this has a notch, which is the most common thing in 2018 after iPhone X. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. The processor used is Qualcomm Snapdragon 625. It runs an octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.0 GHz, and the graphics used is Adreno 506. This phone runs with MIUI 9, and we didn't get any update on MIUI 10. The MI is back in its old-fashioned way. It has a 2 SIM slot with a memory card slot. It is not a hybrid SIM slot. It uses only nano SIMs. It supports up to 256GB externally. The phone comes in two variants. One is the 3GB RAM and the 32GB internal storage, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. This is the second type, 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal storage. The rear camera is a 12 plus 5 megapixel camera with a single LED flash, and this is how it looks like. Hashtag Tech Dudes. Its aperture is 2.2. The selfie camera is of a 5 megapixel camera and of an aperture 2.0. The video is taken at 1080 pixels and 30 frames per second. We are attaching some photos taken from this mobile for your reference. There are two speakers, one is here and the other one is here. There are two microphones, one is here and the other one is here next to the infrared sensor, and there is a charging port present here. There is also an audio jack. This phone uses a LiPo non-removable 4000 mAh battery. It uses a Type A charger, so it does not support fast charging. The phone generally comes in colors such as black, rose gold, gold, blue and red. And speaking about the phone's color, the phone be like, "Na konja karuppu da, aanalum neruppu da." Now the gaming test for this phone is to be conducted, and the game we have chosen is the PUBG. How is it? இது எப்படி இருக்கு?
A few moments later.
Winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, I got it. Winner. There is no lagging or any heating issues while playing PUBG. So this phone is awesome. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video, but don't dislike as it is a comeback video. Do comment about our video and comment about this phone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, The Tech Dudes.